I'm Nikki Burdine. Welcome to today's Business Minute.
Millions of Americans own timeshares, and many are searching for an exit. That's why Gordon Newton, president of Newton Group and co-founding non-attorney partner of DC Capital Law, created the Consumer's Guide to Timeshare Exit.
Timeshares come with legally binding contracts, and most consumers don't fully understand what they've signed. And so when they go to try and exit or end that agreement, now they're entering a space that really lacks transparency.
Newton says that's where many owners run into problems. He believes consumers often struggle to understand who is actually representing them when seeking to end their ownership.
The attorney's duty is to the exit company and not the client. And that can create a gap in protection and services. And I believe that's where a lot of the confusion, frustration, and misunderstandings come from.
His approach is different. Through Newton Group and its partnership model with DC Capital Law, he says the focus is on consumer protection and direct legal representation.
It's not enough for companies to say there's an attorney involved or they have attorney oversight or attorney led or attorney backed process. Consumers need to confirm that the attorney represents them directly and not the company they're paying.
That structure allows the business and legal sides to work together while keeping the attorney's responsibility focused on the client.
That was today's Business Minute. We'll see you next time.